up to you. I don't particularly want a lot of airtime.
Oh, you don't? We're in the back row of
we're gonna get more airtime than
We're in the back row of a coaster that gave us insane airtime. And I just did the enthusiast trick and I have 4 inches of space.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'm glad you have 4 inches. I'm gonna raise my hand and tell them?
No, it won't matter. It's too late. Alright, here we go. Arms up when we get up there. Here we go. Woo! Oh boy, arms up, dang it. Woo! Holy crap! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Oh! God! My bad! Ow! Oh! Oh my gosh, that hurt my legs. Did I hit you?
Yeah,
where?
Right here. Arms up.
Arms up.
Guess where I came down?
Where?
Right.
You?
Yeah.
That's your fault.
Wow. How could it be my fault?
You should have kept them up.
No, I'm talking about
the lap bar.
No, when I raised my arms on that first ejector.
Yeah.
I came back down on my.
Oh.
Oh, wait, right one.
Ah. Well, that was. God. All right.
Welcome back, riders. You guys are now all going to push up on your lap bar and exit off to your right. If you place anything into the bins, don't forget to grab that on your way out. I hope you guys enjoyed your ride.
You too.